tiny thing, you know, the size of this, an inch or smaller, like a spider, I'm afraid that they'll crawl. Well, actually, what happened, honestly, one night was I went to bed, and I saw the spider, and then I felt the spider, and then I tried to find the spider, and I couldn't find the spider, so I knew the spider was still there, and I panicked, and I thought the spider is going to lay eggs in my ear when I fall asleep and have baby spiders inside my ear canal, so I can't lay here and do this. I'll be awake all night and be tired at work tomorrow morning. I've got to get up early for work tomorrow. So I left the house, and I checked into the Mondrian, and I don't know what happened to the spider. But that is...
The spider's probably still wherever you left it.
This was not in your house. This was another house.
So you really think a spider's going to crawl in your ear?
I just have a fear that if you feel them at night or you feel a bite at night, can you sleep with those things crawling around? It's a real problem.
No, it's scary, definitely. I got bit the other day. I was telling Mary that I had a bite on the back of my neck or something like that. But I think that's just a myth that they're actually going to get in your ear in some way.
That worked.
Why didn't you
How could I fall for that?
I know.
And I've seen this show.
I know.
And I fell for that still.
We got you.
So quick.